Hi, it's John Perry. I just came across a video of Michael Jackson doing the moonwalk at the '83 Grammys. Right after that, there was a sensation of breakdancing all over the world. So much so that I was actually teaching breakdancing 3 months later at the leisure center where I was living. Everywhere from the spin, to the wave, to the touch, and to the moonwalk. And the reason I wanted to share this with you is I just came across someone trying to do the moonwalk. They kind of, well, let me show you. It kind of went like this, and it was kind of too painful for me. So I wanted to share a 6-step process on how to do a moonwalk for beginners. So the 6-step process is really easy, but remember, it's going to be the opposite of walking forward. Remember, you're distributing weight back and forth the same. However, when you're going forward, heel, toe, heel, toe. When you're moonwalking, toe, heel, toe, heel. So let's take a look at step 1. Weight bearing is on the ball of our right foot. No weight on our left. We are sliding our left back. We transition over. Weight is now on the ball of our left foot. No weight on our right. We slide back. Transition. Weight is now back on the ball of our right foot. Slide back, and so on. And you can start with any other foot you want. So let's do this one more time. So, first one, weight on the ball of our right, slide back, transition, slide, transition, slide, transition, slide. And if you want to get better at it and start practicing it, you can start playing around. Just start moving around. So, I hope that helps you when you're trying to dance in the kitchen. Send me a video, let me know.